Recording history, recording the future. In terms of recording history, I will focus my presentations on Taring Padi, a communal artist practice combats the 5 cultural evils affecting Indonesia. I come across this community when finding out about their presentations at Creative Summit in 2012. Basically, the main focus of Taring Padi is displaying arts as a form of protesting against tyranny. The painting has become a metaphor, type of lexical substitutions. Their posters represent some resemblance to what we traditionally think of when we consider memory. Some of the posters they have produced have formed logic in proportions and sense in figure. How this will be said, like the poster Pemilu Peace or Election 2009, aspires the ideal of transparency. We take in information sometimes without being aware of it. Taringpadi.com intensifying the relationships between visual and verbal elements with new media. Their blog space/weblogs has allowed everyone who is interested to keep up with them. The interface does not offer only static text, it becomes a medium for different perspectives as well. Since online are not simply sites of storage, a discussion forum is crucial to create connections and patterns. Their new media interface offers alternative media revival, and it is stylistically moved from the abstract single perspective of the reader to the multiple and partial perspective. This kind of aggregations construct the content of memory, even though it should not be a point of contention. When it comes to visual rhetorics online on their interactive digital media, there are some rhetorical features available. It becomes a platform for audience and presented in the later stage of constructions, indicates how new media makes significant contribution to our ecology of memory. Taringpadi.com itself has minimized mediated access to the ideas expressed in language, but the language itself is subject to many different kinds of transformations. Habits of thought that has been with us since Plato forming persistence, and it did not begin with the co-presence on our computer science. In terms of memory as presence versus absence, many Taring-Padi pieces can be considered as memory of thoughts, and new media has intensified the relationship between many aspects to endorse the ability for a human being to keep up. It represents the history. However, history may never capture certain elements of memory. Taring-Padi poster try to capture more personalized, individual, and customized space. It is rely on us on how to look the posters and toggle between looking through and looking at it. History also includes elements that are not exhausted by memory, such as demographic, ecological, and economic factors. Here are the displays of many Taring-Padi posters in outdoor space. The pieces are collectively represent the post-human and serve memory as a pattern/randomness. The terms that Plato set for media and memory in ancient Greece can also arguably represent the binary of presence and absence reduced memory to a question of storage. Memory is a canon that focuses our attentions on the relationships between discourse and time, arguably not storage. Thus, Taring-Padi also produced printed books, which add the variety of media on what is being remembered. The book offers an interesting insight on post-human in contemporary art, and also best reflects the two competing models of time we have inherited from the Greeks, Chronos and Kairos. Taring-Padi also offers a video collections on their artists, sharing it on many new media platforms. It organizes our history chronologically, also add the time sense at the other end of the spectrum. The documentation's capture was converted, and it is intriguing to see how memory is practiced in new media. The video replayed memory repeatedly, capturing every moment, pinpointing the precise moment, and somehow supply it with meaning. Taring-Padi has collated and converted documents, waxes, and wanes an importance throughout the history. However, translation serves to distort the events represented. It could also transform a chaotic moment by translating it chronologically. As a community of underground artists, their productions of cartoon-like posters make use of persistence of vision to signify the kind of cognitions on political and social justice message. However, one should bear in mind that we should account the effect that the medium had on the message. Their YouTube channel mirrors the way we practice memory. We do not simply forget an issue or a keyword. This channel allows us to locate the presence or absence on a particular term. Taring Padi permits us to see the larger patterns that emerge over the course of time, establishing a rough form of cultural memory. Their visual display and the conversation with their verbal arts creates a persistence of vision and also persistence of cognition. Taring Padi generates a different kind of memory and knowledge. Taring Padi offers a crucial issues and terminology which will persist in political discourse at a specific time, and in that sense it functions as storage.